Hey loves, what's up? It's Christina. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, I post videos on motherhood and lifestyle, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a declutter and organize with me. I'm cleaning out underneath my kitchen sink and it's well overdue. So if you're looking for some motivation and you're looking to clean underneath your kitchen sink as well, continue to watch. Okay guys, so this is some of the things that I got to organize underneath the sink cabinet. I got some things from the Dollar Tree as well as Homegoods. So I got these two bins from Homegoods. They're $5.99 each. I figured I can put a lot of big products in there, and I like that it's heavy duty. I also got this shelf from Homegoods, which was $7.99, and I like it so because I can stack stuff on top of if need be. And I also got this turntable kind of lazy Susan thing so that I could be able to just look through everything as I go in. And then at Dollar Tree, I got these two bins that I liked because it had the dry erase on it, so that way if I wanted to put what was in there, I can just use a dry erase marker. I got this bin for like my garbage bag, so I hope they fit in there as well as I got another little shelf. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use it, and I got these liners for the bottom of the cabinet. I also got these caddies. There's two of them from the Dollar Tree so that I can put my cleaning stuff in there when I actually am cleaning. And then I got these actually from HomeGoods too. They're for the refrigerator, but I figured they'd be great for putting like my dishwasher detergent little pods in there and sponges if anything. They were $3.99 each. And then this was actually gifted to me, and it's really good because it has these drawers so I could be able to just like glide them and go through it. So these are all the things that I'm going to be using for this underneath the sink organization slash declutter. I'm not sure if I'm going to be using all of it, but these are what I have out, and I'll use what I can, and if I don't end up using them all, I could use it for another area that I want to organize in my home. So let's get started. Okay guys, I'm also going to be making sure that I throw whatever is like a little bit done, anything that's too dirty and disgusting. Do not mind my dog, she's wheezing right now. So I'm just going to be throwing some things out and keeping things that are in still good condition, and things that are just about to be empty I'm just going to throw out and then make a new order for some new cleaner. But as you can see, I am making some progress. So overall, this is the majority of the stuff that I took out. The really grimy stuff I immediately threw away, but this is what I have to go through to see if I want to keep. I also forgot that I do keep a little bit of my bathroom cleaners in here as well. So I have to make a little space for that because I don't really have enough space underneath my bathroom cabinet to keep that. So this is everything, and I'm going to separate into what I'm keeping and what I'm not keeping. Right now, majority of this stuff right here, I'm just not keeping, except for this carpet cleaner, which is absolutely amazing. This is really good, especially since I have a baby. Whenever she throws her food over her high chair, I use this. This was gifted to me. It's Style Selections, I believe is the brand, but it's really good. Stains always come off. So I'm gonna be getting rid of like Kaboom. I no longer use things like Kaboom. It's just not all natural, and it gives me a headache whenever I finish using it. And I'm gonna get rid of this as well. This I am going to be keeping. I'm keeping these hefty bags, all these Lysol wipes. I'm going to be keeping the vinegar to clean naturally, the Dawn, the Cascade, all my Brillos. I majority use the brand Method and Mayors as my cleaning, as well as I use 7th generation products. So I'll be keeping all of this stuff because it's fairly new. I also have the simple green cleaner that was gifted to me by my mom, I believe, that I'm gonna keep. I'm gonna keep the Windex. I love using this on our granite to keep it nice and shiny. My husband thinks it smells like Fruity Pebbles, so we love that one. And then I also love using this Baby Organics multi-surface cleaner, especially on the things that I know that my daughter will be using, and it smells really good and it really does clean everything. And it's all natural, so I'm definitely gonna keep this. So yeah guys, that's the majority of the stuff that I'm going to be keeping. So let's get all this stuff organized. First things first, I am going to wipe down everything in this cabinet because it was kind of grody. I'm not gonna lie, I saw a bug and tried not to freak out. I'm gonna wipe it down and then I am going to line it with the shelf liner. So here we go.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around.
So the first thing I'm going to do to organize is take all the items that I bought and like a puzzle, just play around with all the pieces and see what works best where. So take the items you have, and like you can see, I put my silver drawers to the right side because it works best there, and I put my white bins to the left on top of my shelf because all the tall items can go there, and items on the bottom that I don't use that often will go underneath there. And I love that I got this Lazy Susan so that I can put all my spray bottles that I use regularly there. Also, I love that I got these bins so I can put my sponges, my Cascade pods, because what's most important is that everything has a place for you to find it. When your items have a home, you'll be able to put everything back that way and it's easy to find. I also love that I got that pink bin to put my garbage bags because I know my garbage bags usually get really messy, as well as that bottom drawer is going to hold all my microfiber towels and my cleaning brushes. I just love how this looks. So just make sure you guys are playing around with what you have. As you can see, I also added this pink bin so that I can put my bathroom cleaner, and it has enough space left over. I just love my Baby Organic cleaners, as well as I showed you guys that I have a toy and high chair cleaner as well as a multi-purpose cleaner. So I also made sure that I am putting the names of each cleaner facing towards me, so that way everything is just there for me to grab. And I also am making sure that I am labeling everything. I love that I got this pink bin because I'm able to use my dry erase marker to just write on it. But I just love my label maker. I use it for everything around the house. So I'm just gonna put labels on all the different bins and drawers that I created, and that will make sure that I stay accountable on putting all the things back to where they belong, especially my husband.
I've been dreaming all night, bringing me some inspiration. Never meant to love no one, but baby, I saw you for a second and I'm happy that you came my way. Don't wanna waste no time without you ever brightening up my days. Never meant to fall so hard. Keep my focus right Every glimpse of you deserts me. You're all I think about sometimes.
And this is the final product, guys. I hope that you guys were motivated and inspired to clean underneath your kitchen sink. I know I needed it desperately. I moved into this home around a year ago, and I was pregnant around like 4 or 5 months when I did move in, so that was the last time that I was able to even clean underneath the sink, and it was well overdue. And I just love the way that it came out. Everything is so organized and neat. It's so easy for myself and my husband to be able to find things and put them back neatly. So I hope that you guys are able to do this as well in your own homes. I hope you guys liked watching me declutter and organize underneath my kitchen sink. It was much needed. What a transformation. I think it looks great. It was everything I hoped to do. And now I'm able to see where everything is and just grab everything easily. So I hope you guys are motivated and that you're able to do the same. Getting things organized and clean is just such a good feeling, especially for us moms that are just busy. We need to just grab things and go, and when things are organized and clean and neat, we are able to do things quickly. So I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you click that notification bell so that you can find out when I post my next video. I hope you guys are doing good, and I'll see you in the next video.